The UN Supreme Court, which assesses South Africa's demands, has ordered Israel to take all measures to prevent acts of genocide, but has not called for a ceasefire. The United Nations Supreme Court The Hague did not order a ceasefire in Gaza on Friday, but told Israel take measures to prevent and punish direct incitement genocide the besieged area. ICJ President Joan Donoghue said court found sufficient evidence of dispute for the genocide trial, and would not dismiss case. Israel was also ordered allow humanitarian aid Gaza, and was asked report the court within a month of how the court had carried out its decisions. Here are some global reactions. The Palestinian Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Expatriates welcomed the decision and said it was a significant reminder that no state is above the law. Foreign Minister Riyadh Maliki said Israel failed to convince the court that it did not violate the 1948 Genocide Convention. UAD judges saw Israel's politicization, deflection and open lies. They evaluated facts laws and instructed to take provisional measures that recognized seriousness of situation correctness of South Africa's application. He said, Palestine urges all states, including Israel, to respect the decision of the International Court of Justice. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu called the decision ugly. In a video message released shortly after the court decision, Israel is waging a just war like no other, adding that it will continue to defend itself and its citizens by adhering to international law. Farite National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir mocked the ICJ by writing about Lahey shmague. The South African government described the decision as a definite victory in terms of international law, and said it hoped that Israel would not act in a way that would prevent the enforcement of court rulings. The decision marks an important turning point in Palestinian people's pursuit of justice, the government said, adding that South Africa will continue to act with global institutions to protect rights of Palestinians in Gaza. Naledi Pandor, South Africa's Minister for International Relations, told reporters outside ICJ headquarters in The Hague that Israel would have to stop the conflict in Gaza if it wanted to comply with court's orders. If you read the commandment, an indirect ceasefire must take place. Hamas welcomed the court's important ruling and said it contributed to Israel's isolation. The statement added, the decision international court justice is a significant development that has contributed to the isolation Israel and revelation its crimes in Gaza. The U.S. said ICJ's decision is consistent with Washington's view that Israel has the right to take action to ensure that October 7 attack is not repeated in accordance with international law. We continue to believe that allegations genocide or unfounded state that court did not include in its decision finding of genocide or a call for ceasefire. End call.